Michelle here. In this video, I'm going to be doing the Upside Down Face Challenge, which is a challenge that was started by Mark Crilly, where you basically draw a face and then turning it upside down, it's supposed to make another face. And that's the challenge part, is to get it to make a face both ways around. So I've seen a ton of other YouTube artists do this, going around in the community pretty heavily, and I'm probably on the tail end here, but I figured might as well give it a try, because every time I try and do some art challenge that's trending around on YouTube, things happen and I'm able to not get it out in time. So I figured, why not actually get this one? Because actually, I've done this before. I used to do this all the time when I was a kid. I would draw this monkey face that turned around, became a gorilla. So I'm like, wow, I already know how to mentally do this. I did it when I was a kid, so I'm gonna do the gorilla monkey thing. See if I can keep doing that the way I did before. And then see if I can get some other one. They're still probably gonna be animals, just because that's where my roots are. I originally started drawing animals when I was a kid, real cartoony animals, so hopefully we can get something that looks somewhat interesting from that. If I just make a bit ovally bit here. If this is the top of the eyes, it's also going to be the chin for the gorilla. So I'm doing the monkey right side up, turned around, it'll be a gorilla. And I do this, which is the eyebrows for the monkey eyes. Turn around, this should be big gorilla teeth. Nose, then if I make the mouth like this, it will also turn into the eyebrows for the monkey gorilla thing. And then we have smaller teeth, which will end up being his eyes. So the eyes will become teeth, the teeth will become eyes, the nose is in the middle, chinny, chin, chin. Connect the head here, get some hair. And this should be the monkey. So eyebrows, wrinkle on top of the eyes, got eyes here. This thing, which becomes nose, mouth here with its teeth, and then we take this for the mouth underneath, curve it up like that, and that should be the monkey face. Okay, let me color it real quick and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so we have our monkey. There's not really any ears because gorillas don't really have giant ears, but this is the monkey part. If I turn this around, it should be a gorilla. Yeah. Woo! It's a gorilla. It's still weird knowing that I can still do this, because I knew how to do it because I did it when I was a kid, but the fact that I see this happen and I'm like, oh, it's a gorilla. Just the child in me is like, man, I remember. I accomplished that. The validation. So now I'm gonna do another one, and just because I already knew how to do this one, the next one I'm gonna do is probably just gonna be a cat, because I have a thing in my brain where I can do it so it looks like a cat upside down and the right way up. So it's not really two different animals. It's gonna be pretty much symmetrical, like mirrored both ways, but I want to see if I can do it, and that'll probably help me practice a little bit more. And then I'm gonna do a third one after that, and I feel like that one's gonna be the most challenging. So let me try and do this kitty thing I'm thinking of. The way I'm thinking, I have this, and it's a nose, and then I bring this up, which is like an eyebrow. Bring this down, it should be same exact thing. I can go here like this. So that's kind of like the eyebrow part. This gets to be the mouth part. Connect it here like this, and then this way there's gonna be ears. Then, hypothetically, it should be a cat. So let me ink this up real quick and see for sure if this is a hypothetical cat that I'm thinking of. The animals are making sounds behind me. They don't know what it's like. They don't know the struggle of having an upside down face. They can't even feel the feels. Okay, so there it is. I'm just gonna color it real quick. I'm gonna give it an orangey color because that's the color I'm gonna get it. Wow, that's too flippin' holy crap, my eyes. There we go, that's better. So now it should be a hypothetical kitty. Gonna take that kitty. We're gonna make it less hypothetical. I'm gonna take you and shut up! No! And upside down, it's still a kitty. Yeah! Who knew mirroring the image back both ways could make it a thing that this upside down Flippin' stop! What do you want? I cheated the system. It's the same thing. It's mirrored. It's a thing. It happened. Okay, there it is. But now is the most challenging one. The one that is not from my childhood that I'd already done before. The one is not a mirrored image of a cat face on both sides, even though that looks. Ooh. I'm just gonna not stare at it too much because then it gives me anxiety, so this one is going to be a little more challenging, but I think I have an idea in my head. I'm thinking a pug, because pugs have like a floppy face, and if I use the floppy faciness, should be eyebrows, hypothetically. Be the nose, something like this, which will be the bridge of the nose. Do his mustachio, shut up, mustachio. Whoa. Okay, never mind. Give it eyes. Alrighty then. Just gonna carry this around. Ears. So, following the rules that I literally just did. Okay, hold on. This looks different than what I was thinking it was gonna be. Let me ink this. Okay, so I've got this part. So we've got the puggy face. Now, technically, this puggy face, if I turn it around, should be something else that's not a pug face. I'm scared. Okay. You guys, I made an owl. Oh my gosh, I made an owl. I didn't think I whoa! I didn't plan for it to be an owl. I didn't think it was gonna be an owl. I was thinking it was gonna be another dog. I can't even right now how perfect this is. Does this look like an owl to anybody else, or is it just me? Like, if you look right here, like if you get rid of this, like that, you just get rid of that, that's a flippin' owl. So we have the monkey that upside down turns into a gorilla. The cat that upside down is still the same exact cat, and the pug that when turned upside down looks like a flippin' owl. I didn't mean to do this, but it happened. If you want to see me do some real art and not just whatever this was, you can watch some of my other videos that I have spread out all over my channel. The most recent two will be in the end card of this video, so stick around to that. But if you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up so that I know you did. And if you're wondering what I'm doing in between videos, you can follow me on Twitter. That is where I'm the most active, but I've listed on social media down in the description below. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye!